In this video, I'm going to show you how to file business taxes for LLC TurboTax. So, first identify how your LLC is classified for tax purposes. It could be a single member LLC, multi-member LLC, or LLC electing corporate status. So, understanding your classifications determines the firm or firms you'll use and ensure accurate filing. So make sure you also gather necessary documents. So before diving into TurboTax, collect all relevant documents like income records. It could be invoices, sales receipts, and the 1099 forms, and then the expense records. It could be receipts for business related expenses like supplies, travel, and utilities. And then the third one is the asset information. It could be like details on any business asset purchased or sold. And the last one is the previous tax returns. This is very helpful for a reference and consistency. So organizing these documents up front will streamline the filing process. So after that, TurboTax offers products tailored for different business needs. So the first one is the TurboTax Self-Employed. This is ideal for a single member LLCs. It guides you through Schedule C and helps identify deductions specific to your industry. And then the second one is the TurboTax Business. This is designed for multi-member LLCs, partnerships, and corporations. It assists with Forms 1065, 1120, and 1120-S, and it includes tools for creating K1S and W2S. So select a product that aligns with your LLC structures to ensure accurate filing. After that, with your documents ready and the appropriate TurboTax product selected, input your business details, report income and expenses, and then after that, review asset information. So TurboTax step-by-step guidance simplifies this process, ensuring you don't miss any critical information. After that review, your file and return it. So review your return, TurboTax will check your errors and prompt you to connect or correct your any issues. Choose your filing method. It could be e-filing. Is fast and secure with confirmation typically received within 48 hours. And then save copies. Keep digital or printed copies of your returns and all supporting documents for records. So remember, filing deadlines vary March 17, 2025 for the partnership and S corporation, and then the April 15, 2025 for sole proprietorships and C corporations. And that's it. Filing your LLC taxes might seem daunting, but with the right tools and preparations, it's entirely manageable. TurboTax provides the guidance you need every steps of the way. Stay organized, be throughout, and don't hesitate to seek expert assistance if needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.